Imagine this. One day you wake up, log into your CRA account, and see your taxes are already filed. No receipts, no TurboTax, no accountant. Seems like a dream, right? Well, it's actually coming. The Canada Revenue Agency has quietly confirmed plans to start pre-filling or automatically filing tax returns for millions of Canadians, especially low-income workers and seniors with simple returns. But here's the catch. What sounds like help from the government could end up costing you money if you don't pay attention. Let's break it down. The CRA's idea is to use the data they already have, your T4s, EI slips, CPP, OAS, maybe some investment income, and automatically create a draft return for you. You'll get a notice saying, "Here's your 2025 return. Review and confirm." If everything looks good, you click a button and you're done. Sounds efficient, right? But here's what's not being said. First, the CRA's system only sees what's reported to them. If you have deductions, credits, or side income they don't know about, you're out of luck unless you manually correct it. For example, the CRA won't know about your RRSP contributions made right before the deadline unless they were filed by your bank on time. They also won't catch medical expenses, childcare costs, home office deductions, or moving expenses unless you add them yourself. Those could easily mean hundreds or thousands of dollars in missed refunds. Second, if you accept the pre-filled return without checking, you're legally responsible for any errors. Even though the CRA generated it, if something's missing or wrong, it's still your fault. Third, automation could make audits easier. For them, not for you. The CRA's system will instantly flag mismatches between what your employer or bank reported and what's on your return. If you try to correct something later, expect delays or even an audit letter asking for proof. This system is already being tested in pilot programs for 2025, starting with Canadians who have the simplest returns, people with one T4 and no deductions. The plan is to roll it out wider in 2026 and beyond. Now, let's be clear. For some people, this will be great. Seniors on fixed income, students with one job, or anyone who never files could finally get their benefits without stress. But for everyone else, it's risky to assume the CRA's version of your taxes matches reality. Here's what you should do. Check your CRA My account regularly. Keep track of your RRSPs, medical receipts, and other credits. When you get that pre-filled return, never just click Accept. Review it line by line. Because here's the truth. When the CRA files your taxes for you, they're not trying to save you money. They're trying to make sure you pay what they think you owe. If you don't double-check it, that helpful system might be the most expensive convenience you've ever accepted.